Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing these girly Christmas nails with a free-handed snowflake, and I will explain everything how to do it in this video. So you want to start off by painting your nails this color. I absolutely love this color. It's kind of like rosy, maybe like purplish color, and I'm doing 2 coats of it just to balance everything out. And you want to make sure that everything is nice and even, and you let it dry a bit, and then I'm going to take my holographic pink nail polish, and I'm going to apply it on my middle finger and as well on my pinky, as I'm having a snowflake on my middle finger, and I'm just painting my pinky finger with it as well because it really looks nice and balances everything out. You'll see it in a bit how everything flows together. So then I'm going to leave it to dry for a bit, and I'm going to start creating a snowflake. I'm using this striping brush and white nail polish, and I'm working with it, just creating a little star and then adding a little details. As you can see on the video, you can just follow what I'm doing. It's very easy, but also it's also fun, and you can get as creative with it as you wish for it. For some reason made this star a little thick. I don't know why. I think it will look cuter if you made it a little bit slimmer, but it doesn't really matter because I do like how it turned out. And in the middle I just dotted a holographic nail polish that I used with some dotting tool, and then I'm going to top it off with some top coat. And also on my pointy and ring finger I'm applying matte top coat so that everything is matte, and I'm going to add some crystals. I'm using again matte top coat just to glue everything together. I'm not using a real glue. And there you have it. I hope you guys like this as much as I did making it for you. Let me know what you think in comments and give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk with you tomorrow. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!